we welcome the signing of the Philippines ROK Free Trade Agreement today. This is a step towards deeper integration which is needed for our economies to recover and bounce back. The Philippines supports the upgrade of the new Southern policy, particularly the major initiatives aimed at enhancing people-to-people connectivity, cooperation in the digital content industry through capacity building and co-production can certainly bring our peoples even closer together. Your Majesty, Excellencies, securing peace in the Korean Peninsula remains a priority issue for all of us. The Philippines reiterate its goal for all parties to continue dialogue and work towards lasting peace and stability in the denuclearized Korean Peninsula. I congratulate Brunei Darussalam for its excellent work as previous country coordinator of ASEAN ROK dialogue relations, and welcome Vietnam as the new country coordinator for 2021 to 2024. Rest assured, the Philippines' full support for the further strengthening of ASEAN ROK relations.